We kind of get started. We have 4 presentations scheduled for today. So Joe, Jackson, Sam, and Shaw, you guys are on the docket for today. After that, you guys will be working on your review parts of your assignment. So parts 1 through 4 on the study guide, the mastery source document challenge problem. Sam, what's up?
I forgot to do mine. Yeah, I did too.
Fellas,
Wait, sorry. Wait, who didn't do it?
we'll get to it in a second.
Did you both?
I
can do it, but my computer needs a charge for like 5 minutes.
Okay.
Or does it charge on that?
It'll charge on that.
Okay, yeah, then I can do it.
Okay. Yeah,
Let me just get it over.
we'll get it up here in a second. So the review is going to be study guides part 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those are under the study hall folder. And then you're going to need to do the mastery source document and challenge problem. Those are under the apply your understandings folder. The test format for the test. Part 1 is 20 20 true and false questions. And part 2 is a, what do we call it? Where you're preparing a chart of accounts. So I put this as the assignment details for the test. So if you wanted to go back and look for that. What that means is like you're assigning account numbers to the different accounts, like in a category like we did in section, I don't remember if it was 1 or 2. But that was the idea. Part 3 is posting to a general ledger. So that was like sections 3 and 4, where you're taking your journal and you're transferring that information into your ledger. And then part 4 is 10 multiple choice questions. So again, the majority of your points are going to live in these 2 categories. The preparing the chart and then posting to the general ledger, because there's the most like accounting style questions that are there. You guys feel okay as to like what to expect? Okay. Any other questions about the test or test format or any of that stuff before we let Joe here take over?
After I do it, can we review the stuff just like last class with chapter 4? Well, chapter 4.4. Right? Not sure.
So
whatever we had last class.
4.4 was when I wasn't here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can talk about that, I suppose. Okay. Everybody else all right? Since Joe's the only one that's ready to go here, presentation, if there's anybody else that hasn't presented yet that is ready to go, that like, yeah, let me just get this over with, I'd welcome you to do that. Sam, Jackson, you guys will have to find a CT to come in and just make a presentation for me in the near future, hopefully this week.
Yeah, I can do it tomorrow.
Okay. I know you have football stuff. 3 minutes, 4 minutes, just as long as your presentation takes, like you've seen people give them. That's all it is,
I'll go ahead and plug it. I just plug it.
Yep. I'll get you set in here in just a second, Joe. I'm gonna move so I can see you.
How do you pronounce it? Is it I'm Clone or In Clone?
I was trying to think about.
I don't know. Not sure. This is one that I was not as familiar with. some of these are like are news stories that I remember,
Yeah.
or like things that I've heard about or whatever.